Hi everyone, boys and girls. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Nishant, and so today's vlog going to be completely different. And I was so excited to upload this one. And the complete, after one and a half years, I flew in the flight, and I met my friends 1.5 years. It was so excited and so you know so a happy moment. I just want to share with you guys. I was shown and I was included this video, the landing, the takeoff, everything, and I'm gonna show the arrival hall, all those things. All the stuffs I'm gonna show in this video. So just enjoy it. People who have not traveled yet in the flight. So you just seen this, all have included all the claims in here, and it's all. I just want to show you what are things in the beautiful in the sky. It's how beautiful mother nature it is, right? So I just want to show you that, and I just want to show complete up and down from the sky into the earth. So it looks seriously beautiful. I have been traveled many times, but this is the first time I'm showing this all these things. So just enjoy my video and do comment as well. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.
Gujarati and Bengali. We are truly elated to have you on board with us today.
What's wrong? Something isn't right. Don't feel I belong in the light. Passion has gone and love's taken flight. Things just feel heavy tonight. I'm tasting no tears, I'm fighting no fears, but still there's a hole in my heart. Not on my own, but I feel it sometimes. Wondering what should I do? For reasons unknown, I don't need to decide. It's true that I don't have a clue. I'm tasting no tears, I'm fighting no fears, still there's a hole in my heart. I'm wasting no time, I'm losing my mind, here till the day depart. Don't know what's wrong, something isn't right. Don't feel I belong in the light. Passion has gone and love's taken flight. Things just feel heavy tonight. Things just feel heavy tonight. Oh.
So finally I reached the place, just towards to my friend's home. Um, let's see, they're so excited, I think. Hopefully because after 1.5 years they're meeting me. Maybe, I don't know if they have excited or not, but definitely I'm so excited. Let's see. So I'm taking left for this. I'm not forgetting anything at all because this all the place is I have so much of experience. Have been a lot of times I've been walked through over here, so it's not a big deal. So once I நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா? ஞாபகம் இருக்கா? ஹென்ரி ஃப்ரெண்டு நிஷாந்த். ரொம்ப நாள் ஆச்சுல, ஒரு 1.5 வருஷம் ஆகுது. நான் இப்போ தான் வந்தேன் ஊர்லேருந்து. ஆமாம் சார். I think 2 minutes more to walk. Let's see. Yeah, I'm so excited. Seriously, I'm so happy once I reach here. You know, guys, I'm so excited. Really, it's a wonderful time, and the moment which has waited for a long time. So it's been 1.5 years. So let's see. So I'm just gonna show you my friends how they got excited. So okay, finally I reached the place. So this is the gate, and in here. இருக்கியா? நல்லா இருக்கேன். என்னோட vlog போயிட்டு இருக்கு. It's okay. Hey, hi Tina, how are you? Okay, it's okay. நல்லா இருக்கேன். நீ எப்படி இருக்க? Hi, say hi guys. Dewa.